what is density? Density mass upon volume. Okay, how to measure the density? Okay, first we will measure the density of water. Okay. Density of water. Now there is water in this plain water. So volume of water. Let us see what is the volume of water. It is about 172 or 178. So volume of water is 178 ml. Now we will find the mass of water. So mass of water, what is it? So this is mass of water plus mass of beaker. Here beaker is also there, na? So beaker mass we have taken already. So it is 37.3. 37.3. So MB is equal to 30.7.3. MB is equal to 37.211. So this is 211.10. This is mass of water plus mass of beaker. Okay. This is mass of water plus mass of beaker. Mass of water plus mass of beaker is 211.10. 1. From that we will remove this, reduce this. 173.5. 173.8. Okay. So this is the mass of water. Now we know the volume of water. We know the volume of water. We know the mass of water. Find the density of water. So density of water is equal to mass of water divided by volume of water. So it is 173.8 divided by 178. 0.9. So this is approximately 1. Approximately equal to 1. 1 gram. 1. Exactly 1. So density of water is 1. Now we have to see whether this egg is floating or sinking. If this egg sinks in this water, that means density of egg is more than water. So first let us find out the density of egg. Okay. Now the weight of egg. Is it 0? No. Let us see. Weight of egg. How much? 54.5. Mass of egg is equal to 54.5. Now volume of egg we will measure. How to measure the volume of egg? See, water volume is 178. If I put this egg in the water, this volume will increase. That increase in volume will be the volume of egg. Okay. So, volume of water plus egg.
Volume of water plus egg is
50.
around 240, 230 HP, right? You can see that.
Volume of water plus volume of egg is equal to 228.
230.
238. 238. 238 ml. Okay. Agree? Now, so what is the volume of egg? 238 minus
170.
238 minus 170. 50. It is 50 ml.
पहले मेरा 50 बराबर
है ना? 50 ml ना?
60
ml. 60 ml.
Okay. The volume of the egg is 60 ml and we have weighted the egg first. The weight of the egg was 54.5.
No, it should be 55 here. value we have not measured correctly. So 228 है ना? That is what.
50.
This 228.
Then 50.
Then this is 50. Now it is okay. Now you calculate density of air.
I tell you, density of it is
54 dE is equal to 54.5 divided by 50.
1.09.
1.09.
Yes.
1.09. So this density
1.09.
now again.
मैं बोला था 50.
Density of air and density of water. So density of air is 1.09. Density of water is 1. So 1.09 is more than 1. So this egg is sinking in the water. If the same egg I put in the salt water, here the salt water I have added in the same quantity of water 20 gram salt. So this density of salt water has increased. It is more than 1.09. Because it is more than 1.09, this egg will float. It will not sink. See, it is floating. It is not sinking. So another principle he will explain.
Now we are going to measure the weightness of stone with respect to the volume and space of water. Main argument is this. You can see the weight of the stone, right? Yeah. How much is this? 61. Weight of the stone is 60 grams.
Mass of the stone is 60 gram. Okay.
Mass of the container. I am using.
Mass of container. 0 है? 0 नहीं है? 7.2. Okay. 7.2. 7.2. Okay.
Now I am going to measure the volume of the water space. Before that also the weight loss of the stone is measured.
So weight of stone will reduce if you dip in the water.
Maybe you have already experienced when you try to lift some material inside the water, its weight seems like really light, right? There will be a weight loss for the stone. I am going to sink this stone in this water, and you have to see the weight loss in this from 60 to it's moving down, right? Now the weight of the stone is 38 grams.
38 grams. So what is the loss in weight of the stone? Loss in weight of the
60
stone.
minus 38. Right?
60 minus 22. Yes, correct. 22 grams. So the water displaced should also be 22 grams. Correct. Let us see.
How much it is?
28.4. That is the mass of container plus mass of water. It is how much? 28.4. 28.4. From this you reduce mass of container 7.2. So it will be 21.2. This is almost equal to 22 gram. So it is proved because we are not doing in ideal condition. Some point difference will be there. So it is almost equal to 22 gram.
What we have learned here, the weight loss of the stone is equal to the volume of water displayed. This is what called Archimedes principle.
This is about 2200 years before. King Hero gave a piece of gold to his jeweler to make a crown. So jeweler had made a crown and given to the king. So king had some doubt that jeweler has not given me the pure gold. He has mixed something in the crown. He has mixed something in the crown. So jeweler don't know. I have given the exact amount of gold. You measure the weight of gold and measure of what what you have given, same weight is there. But still king has the doubt. Now king told Archimedes to find out what is the mixed in this crown. So what happened? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So what Archimedes was thinking about this. One day, next day, he went to bath. There in Greek, they were bathing in a big bathtub. The bathtub was full, like this. Just he stepped in the bath, then water has spilled out. When water has spilled out, something has clicked in his mind. उसका ट्यूबलाइट जल गया और वो ऐसे ही नंगा उधर से टब में से भागा, यूरेका यूरेका ऐसा चिल्लाते हुए। और सब लोग बोला ये पागल हो गया है, यूरेका यूरेका चिल्ला रहा है। तो बोला यूरेका मीन्स ग्रीक में मिल गया, आई फाउंड अ सॉल्यूशन। और देन ही gone to the king and told him that this is the principle, that weight of water displays the equal to weight of volume of this. So he has taken equal amount of silver and equal amount of gold, and he's shown that water displays is different, but weight is same. So he again weighed the pure gold and crown, and he proved that there is a mixture in the crown. Then he punished the jeweler. King punished the jeweler and awarded the Archimedes. So this flask is known as Eureka. Eureka flask. Eureka means